Here's how you're going to use AI to make 6 figures this year, and the best part is
we'll see about that.
First thing you're going to do is pick a niche. These are just a few
So first step is research, but then there's pick a niche, or you can start pick a niche and research.
Use this tool called InVideo, which is completely free to sign up. And what this is going to do is help you create scripts and convert them into faceless videos using AI.
InVideo is pretty cool.
Like AI text.
I will say that it's a bit slow,
Now you can select
and it is clunky.
Copyright-free video,
so you will need a lot of patience to do this,
once you pick
because sometimes it'll stop mid transfer. So just be aware.
You can have AI completely write your script, and you just have to give it a general idea. And within literally seconds, here's an entire script for your video.
I would actually use ChatGPT instead and just
now that your video is generated, you
information
can continue customizing the video using their library of stock footage from sources
such as
iStock and Shutterstock.
They have amazing templates.
You can also add your own music and even record AI-generated voiceovers.
Absolutely.
What I love about this tool is that you can create completely unique and personalized videos while saving tons of time and staying anonymous.
True.
And once you're done creating them, all you have to do is simply download it and then post it to any social media platform that you want.
Not simply, but I get what she's saying.
For YouTube automation, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, the list goes on and on.
It ain't simply because you need
so you can start today.
SEO. Keywords are a major big one. You will need to do your research to find out the key.